Baby, when you talk like that, you make a woman go mad. So be wise and keep on reading the signs of my body.
Addressing the first part of the comment, I think I know my DNA better than you.
Hey, my sister, let me tell you something. Oh, the struggle is real. You know, you see, you said you're 50% Somali. Me, I'm 100% Somali. Even my grandfather, neighbors are Somalis. Imagine. And Somali people on TikTok 24 hours tell me that I'm not Somali just because, you know why? I'm not wearing hijab. And this is what they do. So you're Somali. Period. And you know what? Don't listen to them. If you listen to them, oh, it's up to you, sister. But let me tell you something. You're Somali, and nobody can take that away from you. Period. So keep shining, baby girl.
Wanku ogore anayigu eko ifka ku jale weheliya wanku amine ursamo wanku aheednaya
Bakali hayoran quruxka lay haydihin nafta kugu qasbayo qatika isagtee qalbi dile ayaa
ore ay dhigeyso fur dhagta fur anaka naag waxaanu soo korisay muujeeda oo na dhihi jirta afgaal gurigan laguma hadli karo. That is why aniga af Soomaali u aqaana willigeyga xamar ma tagin willigeygana xamar uma soo socodi beentaan gurigan ku dhex bartay inaaga imaani jireen fadhi ku dirir guriga intay imaada shaax bikeeri edab darantay cabaan ya xaafada naagii dan wada joogaan intay cunaan naagaas aniga degta u furi jiray saasaan af Soomaali ku bartaani xan iyo fadhi ku dir anaga af Soomaalina bartay not hammer, bitch.
I love being a gay Somali.
Finger down toxic edition part 2. Put a finger down if you've lied about why you couldn't answer a call or message. Put a finger down if you've forgotten someone's name before. Put a finger down if you hate being told no. Put 3 fingers down if you've checked someone's location to see if they were telling the truth. Put a finger down if your phone is always at do not disturb mode. Put a finger down if you purposely leave people undelivered for a certain amount of time. Put a finger down if you've forgotten someone's birthday before. Put 2 fingers down if you're a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Pisces. Put a finger down if you get easily jealous, and put 2 fingers down if your name starts with a D, R, M, or T.